Thank you for stopping by Tasha's merch review. Today I will be reviewing a brand called godisdope. But before we get into the video, make sure you like and hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. And also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when a new merch review drops. So let's get into the video. So I have two packages, and there's a reason why I have two packages. It's a long story, but I'm gonna make it short. So I ordered two shirts from godisdope and got an email saying it was delivered. Looked in my mailbox and nothing was in there, so I had to track down the mailman. He acted like he couldn't remember if he had the package or not, so I had to end up calling USPS and had to talk to the lady there, and then she said we was having troubles with the mailman or whatnot, and then they would try to look for my package. 3-4 days later, I still didn't get nothing, so I ended up ordering more because the shirts were on sale. They was having a flash sale. So then 5 days, the neighbor brings the package because we have the same number address, but we live on different streets. So she ended up bringing me the missing package. So now I have two packages. I think I did order some of the same things and then some new things. So we'll just go through both packages. So I ordered the shirts on the 8th. It was processed on the 11th and I received them on the 13th. So not bad as far as when you order to where it's actually shipped out. So shipping was pretty fast. I did see some reviews where some people were saying that it was taking a while for them to receive their items, but I didn't have a problem. The only thing I had a problem with was the post office saying that they delivered my items and giving it to my neighbor. But other than that, shipping was decent. It was fast. The package, simple packaging like everyone else. If you haven't seen my review of the brand World Envision, the link will be in the description below. So let's go ahead and open godisdope. Now I believe godisdope was created by Sherrod. He's the one who emailed me to let me know that if I received everything. I also know that they're a pretty big brand in Atlanta, like one of the biggest black-owned companies in Atlanta. So, okay, so what I ordered was the black and yellow box logo tee, and that's the first one I'm gonna show you. So this is the logo tee. I don't know if you can see it. Ooh. And I'm going to show you the inside. So the tagless shirt, godisdope, extra large, how you can maintain the shirt, and then their website at the bottom. There's nothing on the sleeves and nothing at the bottom. And I got an extra large, like always. And to me, this looked bigger than an extra large. So that's good. Stretchy material. The fabric feels, to be honest, a little cheaper. Like they used a cheaper shirt. But, I mean, for the price, I paid $5.99 for both shirts each. So they're having a flash sale. So, I mean, you really can't beat the price. The second shirt I got was the pink and purple Just God tee. And that's this one. And it's made the same on the inside. Nothing on the sides. Nothing on the bottom. Yeah. And the wording, you could tell is screen printed on there. So it has that rough screen print feeling. My bad. Yeah. So the second package, the one I had to order, because I thought my other one wasn't coming, may have some repeats in it. Yeah, so the pink and purple Just God logo tee. So is this one here? So I have 2 of those, and I have 2 of the black and yellow. So the third shirt I got was the I Speak to God in Public, with the God is Dope in the background. And same tag. Nothing on the sleeves. But there is something on the back. And it's a big old God is Dope. And like the double lettering. And I believe I also paid $5.99 for those shirts as well. And the subtotal came to $11.99, in which the shipping was $6.25, and my total was $18.24. So not bad. You could have got 4 shirts, 4 or 5 shirts, and still wouldn't have been out of a whole lot of money. Like I do every video, I'm going to show you the website so you can get an idea. Okay, so taking a look at the front page of the God is Dope website, as you see at the top, all tees are unisex. It's also nice that they have a collection for breast cancer awareness. As you all know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So let's take a look and see what else they have. So I see t-shirts. It looks like right now all the t-shirts are running $9.99. They have the LeBron James King hoodie. As you all know, the Lakers won the championship this year. And it looks like all the hoodies are running $34.99. Let's see here. Let's take a look and see what size the hoodies are going up to. So the hoodies go up to a 2X. And let's see what the shirts go up to. And the shirts also go up to a 2XL. So that is good. Let's see what else they have. They have hats, $19.99. And the wristband, you get 2 for $9.99. I don't even see the ones that I ordered, except for this Just God. I do see that one. But as far as the black and yellow box logo, or the I Speak to Jesus in Public, I don't even see that they are selling those as of right now. You have to check back because they are constantly changing their designs, adding and subtracting. Let's see, let's go back to the front page. It looks like they have a physical store down in Atlanta. So if you're down there, go check them out. All right, so this has been the God is Dope website. I would reorder from God is Dope because They're always having a good sale, and they're constantly changing their designs. At one point, they had like a shoe that had God is Dope all over it, hats. They had fanny packs at one point. So they're giving you a wide variety of items that's constantly changing, which is good. Like I said before, the material of the shirt feels kind of rough, like they use a least expensive shirt, but for the price, I mean, you can buy 4 or 5 of them and swap them out. The length of the shirts are a good length. They're not too long, not too short. Like they said, that they fit like an extra large. Some of them actually look bigger than an extra large. And also, my favorite one is that I speak to God in public with the God is Dope on the back. Also, shipping was fast between the time I ordered and the time it was processed and delivered. The message is awesome. God is dope because God is dope. If you don't know, now you know. And yeah, so make sure you check out God is Dope, and make sure you come back to this channel and check out more of my merch review. I will keep them coming as long as people is willing to watch. I will also put a link in the description for God is Dope, their information and their Instagram. That way, if you like what you see, go over and support them. They are a Black-owned business based out of Atlanta. Also, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And see you on the next merch review.